Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Schengen visa from the UK. This is helpful if you're planning a trip to Europe because one visa can let you travel to multiple Schengen countries. So first check if you need a visa based on your nationality and your UK immigration status. If your passport needs a Schengen visa, you'll have to apply. Next, choose the right country to apply through. Apply to the country where you'll spend the most time. If it is equal, apply to the country that you'll enter first. Then book your appointment through the official embassy or visa center website in the UK. Prepare your documents, your application form, passport, UK residence permit, correct photo, travel insurance that covers at least £30,000 flight and hotel bookings, and proof that you can afford the trip like bank statements. You may also need proof of work or school. On the appointment day, submit everything, give your fingerprints if needed, and pay the fees. After that, wait for the result. It usually takes around 15 working days, but it can take longer during busy months, so apply early. So, thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.